Welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing one of the most powerful and devastating natural disasters, the tsunami. A tsunami is a series of ocean waves with very long wavelengths, typically 100 to 600 kilometers, caused by large-scale disturbances of the ocean, such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and underwater landslides. Throughout history, tsunamis have caused widespread destruction and loss of life, with some of the most catastrophic tsunamis occurring in the Pacific region, known as the Ring of Fire. One of the most devastating tsunamis in recent history was the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which was triggered by a massive undersea earthquake off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. The tsunami caused widespread destruction and loss of life, affecting 14 countries and killing over 230,000 people. Another major tsunami was the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami in Japan, which was caused by a 9.0 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Honshu, Japan. The tsunami caused widespread damage, including the Fukushima nuclear disaster, and resulted in over 15,000 deaths. In the aftermath of a tsunami, response efforts focus on search and rescue, providing medical care to those affected, and rebuilding communities. It's important for communities to have evacuation plans in place and for individuals to know what to do in the event of a tsunami warning. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos. Stay safe and be prepared.